Okay. Let us discuss about macromolecular structural database. Macromolecular structure database means that may be either nucleic acids or protein. The data is most probably derived from X-ray crystallography, NMR studies, mass spectroscopy, likewise. Okay, some of the macromolecular structure database. Here going to discuss about few macromolecular structure database. First of all, biological macromolecule crystallization database. We no need to study much because the title and the content are mostly same. If you understand, you can write. Okay. Biological macromolecule crystallization database, BMCB. So from the name itself, we can say it's a crystallization database. It's a crystal data. It contains crystal data. Next, BioMac RES bank. RES means repository for protein. It contains peptide and nucleic acids. Okay. Next, biomolecules gallery. It's a gallery like our mobile gallery. Okay. Our mobile gallery consists of numerous photos. Likewise, here the image, it's a image database. Okay, it's a database gallery. Okay, so it contains image gallery related to protein or nucleic acid. Okay, next, CAT protein structure classification database. Nothing but the class, architects, topology and homologous superfamily. Next, CMS molecular biology resource. It's a resource. From the name itself, we can say it's a resource. Molecular, another name is molecular biology. Resource of tools in molecular biology and biotechnology. Okay, next, database of macromolecular movements. So it has motions, it moves the protein and macromolecules motion database. Next, EBI service. EBI service, European Bioinformatics Institute. It contains both nucleic acids and protein database. Next, ENDRIS. It was a search retrieval system. It was present in National Center for Biotechnological Information. Next, structure. Was another database in MMDB. It was maintained by NCBI structure group. It's coming under structure database. Next, XPASI proteomics server. It was maintained by Swissprot. Next, Homestrat. Nothing but the homologous structure alignment database. First, okay. Next, IMB GINA image library of biological macromolecules. It's contain biological macromolecules. Next, math for health sample output. It's also a structural database. Next, Modbase. It's a database, the base from database of protein models. Okay, so model database, that's why they named as model database. Okay, mod taker from model and base from database. Next, polypeptide ligand database. The database focused in not protein, I think. Next, research collaboratory for structural bioinformatics protein databanks, RCSBPDB databank. It's the largest protein structure repository or largest protein structure database. From the name itself, you can say it's a largest database. The name also largest one. Okay, from when compared with other data titles, data bank names. Okay, structural, next one, structural classification of protein, scope. Okay, now we can discuss one by one. Next, biological macromolecules crystallization database, BMCB. It's a crystal data. It consists of crystal data. Already I told, crystal data which has been compiled from literature. After the research scholars or research person or scientists may store the data in the literature for future reviews. So that from that they collected. Okay, crystal data. Also, the data, these data are derived from studies carried out in, initially the data are derived from studies carried out in microgravity environment. Okay, studies carried out in microgravity environment, which was supported by NASA and some other space agencies like International Space Agency, NASA and other international space agency like for example Center for Advanced Research in Biotechnology, National Institute of Standards and Technology. Next, Biomac ResBank. It's a repository for protein. From the name itself, the res means repository for protein. Okay, protein, peptide and nucleic acids. They may be derived from these data. Protein, peptide and nucleic acid derived from NMR data studies. Next, biomolecule gallery. The gallery of biomolecules is an image database. Already I told, compare with mobile gallery. Also, it provides wide spectrum of high quality pictures. Our mobile gallery also high quality pictures. Am I correct? Otherwise, you may delete it. Here also it provides wide spectrum of high quality pictures of biomolecules that may be either nucleic acids or protein or their complex. It was maintained by Keisa Institute of Technology, Japan. From the name itself you can say it's from Japan. Next, CAT protein structure classification database. CAT is a novel hierarchical classification of protein domains. Say class, architecture, topology and homologous superfamily. It was maintained by University College, London. Simply say it's a cluster of protein database. These are the four major levels: class, architecture, topology and homologous. Okay, next CMS molecular biology resource. It provides links to resource and tools in molecular biology, biotechnology, molecular evolution, biochemistry and biomolecular modeling. Next, database of macromolecular movements. This site describes the motions or movements that occurs in protein. Then from the name you can find. Database of macromolecular movements. If you can find any movement or motion, it moves. The site describes the motions that occur in proteins and other macromolecules. Describes about the movements occurs in proteins and macromolecules, particularly using movies. We provide clips, movie clips. So not from film clips. It's provide either protein and nucleic acid movements. Okay. Also, it associated, this database associated with variety of free software tools, which serves for structural analysis. Already that's well known. If particular data bank provide a tool, it 100% it will supports or serves to analyze the particular data. Next, database of simulated molecular motions, DSMM. The main purpose of this database is to provide easily searchable information. It provides movies which showing biomolecular motions that have been generated by computer simulation. Next one, EBI service. It was it contained data bank, that is EMBL, European Molecular Biological Laboratory. The data present in EBI is nucleic acid, protein and macromolecular structure database, which was retrieved or accessed through EMBL. Next, ENDRIS, database search and retrieval system. It's a SRS system, database search and retrieval system, SRS system. சரியா, SRS system question paperல இருந்தா விட்டுறாத. ENDRIS மட்டும் இல்லை, not only ENDRIS, number of SRS tools available. Okay, ENDRIS is one of the tool which is available in National Center for Biotechnological Information. Yeah. It was my collaborated with National Library of Medicine and NIH. That's why from the website you can find out. National Center for ncbi.nlm.nih.gov. The NLM, National Library for Medicine, NIH, National Institute of Health. Okay. Next, structure. Next, the NCBI structure group maintains MMDP, say database of macromolecular 3D structure as well as tools for their visualization. It also provide tools. NCBI maintain a structure database, that is MMDP. It also provide tools for modeling and analyzing and visualizing the structure database, which it contains experimentally determined biomolecular structures from the data bank, that means PDP. Next, XPacy proteomics server. It was maintained by Swissprot. That means Swiss Institute of Bioinformatics. Next, Homestead. Homestead means homologous structure alignment. Okay. Okay. Homestead. Homologous structure alignment database, which provides aligned three-dimensional structures of homologous protein. It provides homologous structure alignment database provides homologous proteins. The Homestead from homologous first three letters, STR from structure, A from alignment, D from database. That's all. Next, the word homologous is used to know the evolutionary of origin. Also, it combines the classification proposed by various databases, includes SCOPE, PFM, ProCite, SMART, etc. Next, IMB, image library of biological macromolecules. It provides biological macromolecule data. Next, map for health sample decompose output. It contains freely accessible data more than thousands. It contains structurally decomposed and automatically repaired PDP file, protein data bank files. It contains repaired PDP files. Next, mod base, model base, model. Next, database, so mod based database focus the database of protein models. It was maintained by University of California. Next, polypeptide ligand database. This database focused on existing knot proteins. Next, research collaboratory for structural bioinformatic protein data bank, RCSBE. It's the largest protein data repository or protein data bank. From the name itself you can know. Next, finally, structural classification of protein, that is SCOPE, SCOP. Classification of proteins on the basis of structural motifs.